In this video, I am going to teach you how to move an object from model space to layout in AutoCAD. This is useful when you want to display specific drawing elements in your layout for printing or presentation. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Next, select the object you want to copy. You can do this by clicking on it or dragging a selection window. Then, right-click and go to Clipboard, then choose Cut, or just press Ctrl+X. This removes the object from model space but keeps it in memory. After that, go to the Layout tab at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. This switches your workspace to the Layout view. Finally, right-click, go to Clipboard, then click Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V. The object will appear and you can place it where needed. And that's how you move objects from model space to layout in AutoCAD. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!